And so here we are, Hale Estate. Said to get one of these kits, and it's a good thing I did, I guess, because here we are. You know, I just don't think that there's anything as good as full loads. I just love full loads, and this, my friends, is a full load off a beautiful, beautiful property. It is beautiful today. Got Curtis over here, the ultimate tire plugger. Tire plugger 5000. If you need a tire plug, just call Junk Fan. So one of the couple of things we got were these really nice farm gates. So we've got a full load here, mostly all farm wood, barn wood, what have you. And you can see we're just going to throw it along the fence over here, then hit the dumper and go back for our second load. Got a busy day. We don't even know if we're going to make our 12 o'clock appointment. All right, so we've got a full load of wood and fencing and all that. So what is your weight guesstimation?
I'll say probably 3,500.
Yeah, I'm going 4,500. So that's a pretty big swing. So let's see. So at 7 a.m. we go out to jump in the truck and hook up the trailer, and we got it flat. So we quickly plug it, get over there, get our full load, load it up in an hour, swing by the farm, drop off a little bit of metal. And then one of the really cool things is, you know, the dumper is only 10 minutes away from the farm. So that's really nice. And we're going to go back and grab another load. You'll see that here in a second. And we're going to drop this wood. Just a little bit of wood. All right, brother. So what's the weight?
So the net weight today is 3,780.
On the first load, it's 3,780. That means that Curtis is the winner, and he gets the Benton's bacon.
That's right.
All right. So we've got our second load all loaded up here. It's 11:24. And what do you think the weight on this one is?
I don't know. I would say like maybe 2,000.
Yeah,
maybe
I'm going.
15.
I'm saying 17. I'm calling out 17. I'm calling out 1750.
I don't even want to say 2, but I would say about 50. Let's just say 15.
All right. He's going 15. I'm going 17. Let's see what happens. So in this second load, we had, I don't know, 2-3 couches, just box after box of just random garbage, and then a projection TV, and a whole bunch of other miscellaneous. So I didn't get you a picture of what we have here for our next load. It's pretty stuff. Then we gotta run off to I don't know, we're gonna be like 15 minutes late to this next one. We just called her. She's all good with that. That'll put us back on schedule for our remaining pickups. Here we go. What was the weight?
1,780 today.
On this one it was so we're one and one today.
Yep, it's a wash.
Yeah. All right, so we're off to go pick up some beds, desk, computer, whatever, and some other stuff, and then drop off the dumpster.
Yes, sir.
So here we are at our next job. It's up in this building, and we got to take apart like some furniture. So what we take is this little kit. So we've got everything. He's got the penthouse up there. Look. What'd you think of that little pickup there, Curtis?
Nasty.
Woo! We're talking roaches, bed bugs. The whole building's infested. The whole building. The exterminators were there while we were there. I don't know if they ever leave that place.
He said, I was trying to get you guys here before the exterminators.
I'm thinking, man, I'm glad we came after the exterminators. But everything was still moving, like they didn't kill anything. But anyway, so picked up dining room table, some chairs, another bed. Now we're on our way to get some more stuff.
Got a desk. That's about it.
So I'm not sure if you guys do bed bug stuff, but we do. All right, from that last just completely bizarre place, and then our next stop is this place. And you just never know. This job is just amazing. So now we're gonna race back out to the farm, unload or unhitch the dump trailer, hitch up the roll-off trailer. But first we got to put the spare tire back up under the truck, get a few things straightened out in the truck. Plus we had all kinds of all right, so what we did was, because of the bugs, we decided to just shoot by the dumper and get rid of the nasty bed bug stuff. And I'm so grateful this dumper, these people love us, and because they're closed, because their trucks are all full here, but they said you guys can go dump your stuff anyway. So thank you so much to my good friends at the transfer station. Now we'll go pick up a dumpster and go deliver a dumpster. From today, we already threw out a little exercise bike, and what else we got back here? Let's see what else we got. Oh, got us another treadmill. We'll get that unloaded and go swap trailers. You're not gonna use that, bro?
Not today.
Oh, so like I said, man, we gotta switch trailers, get this roll-off trailer for rent, and shoot it about 30 miles away and drop it off. And we had to prep the truck for it real quick. All right, so we just dropped this dumpster here, and we are ready to roll. You ready to roll?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's go.